Nice change of scenery. What are we doing? Just walking in the jungle to the high school. And your boy forgot his glasses. Ah, it was fun anyways. Yeah. And honestly, for stuff like this, it's fine. It's like a cap for everyone else, so they can all see like you. The only time it's actually bad is when things are producing their own light and I have to look at them. I might wait for people to leave and then take a shot of the... Yeah. I think it's 3 hours total, right?
Where do we? I think we might even end up at a different point and we get picked up there.
That'd be pretty cool.
Okay, do you think it's a loop trail or is it in and out?
Hopefully it's a loop trail.
I love loop trails.
Yeah.
When it's like an overnight hike and loop trails, I'm like, let's go. Like getting up top after a day or two, and then like,
and then
yeah.
you're going the same way. You're going
Yeah, easy to burning. But they have the oil inside.
so that's the sap that's burning.
Smells that.
Smells like incense almost though. I like
Yeah. Car freshener.
Yeah.
Very fun for the kids. Because actually yeah. Because for the kids they have
Oh, I'm going to sit on it.
Intertwining and shit.
Yeah.
Is it breaking? Then I won't sit on it.
But I just worry about caterpillar. Yeah.
Ah.
This one very dangerous. If you touch them, you get pain.
Really?
Where is he? Oh, he's up there. Oh yeah, he's a prickly.
No, 20 bucks.
$20
Canadian dollars.
20 baht.
20 baht, yeah, 20 baht.
Where is it?
Don't let it fall on you, you never know.
The other
Oh my
side
god.
of that.
I don't see it.
He's pokey. This is cool though.
We have this on our campus.
Yeah,
Like at school, and then sometimes people would just be hammocking and then like it would fall on them and they have to like, call 911.
Oh yeah.
Jeez.
Like that
Yeah.
little thing.
Those things, yeah, it like burns your arm.
Where is it?
Looks like that.
Just like slightly touch it.
I don't even
Oh, those.
Yeah.
There's something like where I live, but they're not dangerous.
You just have to like get an EpiPen or
Really what I wonder.
So we've seen 2 poisonous things so far.
I don't know if that's dangerous.
What happened?
Where? Oh, there's another one right there.
Caterpillar.
Oh, sorry.
That's another bad one?
Yeah.
It looks like it.
They're everywhere. We're not gonna make it through, man.
I'm just looking at the ground though.
Gotta look up and down the whole time.
Gotta catch the snakes coming
It does, yeah.
Literally, as I was saying, we saw like 2 poisonous things already. There's like, you point one out.
Bamboo very important for them because always they use bamboo, they need bamboo. They build the house by bamboo. They probably
So you put this on wounds.
can eat bamboo shoot. And also we have some kind of animal inside bamboo, the worm.
The grass.
Damn, son. Very tall bamboo.
There can be, but I'm not sure for you.
And I don't know
Oh,
if
cool.
you pick the pen.
Thank you. So steep. So cool.
Like this, like that, like that. Shall we do? Yeah, check it out. Like this and like that, like that. Yeah, yeah.
What is it? I have no idea. It smells good though.
Oh wow, it does.
Oh!
Wait, you're supposed to eat it?
Yeah!
It
really tastes like cinnamon.
You're supposed to eat it
Yeah,
apparently.
it's really strong. Eat it, yeah. I think so. I hope so.
Yeah, wait, it's good as fuck.
Yeah, we are. I hope we're allowed. We did say eat it, right?
I think so.
Okay.
Either way, it's a nice poison. It tastes good. Maybe he said not to, and he probably just killed a whole group of people. anything, the guy from South Korea killed a whole group of people because he gave it to me. After eating it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's going down with the ship. It's just, Man, this is so fucking beautiful. This is what I want to do when I travel, man. Go through nature. Yeah. Fuck you, Bangkok, honestly.
If I come back, I'm gonna go again to Bangkok, but only for like 2-3 days at the most.
I'll be there for a day, then leave, go south. I'll become a pro trekker.
Literally, you fly overnight from Canada. You arrive in the evening in Bangkok. You literally just get some street food in the evening, spend the next day, and then fly another night flight to the south. You like spend a night and like 3/4 of the day there.
Yeah. So these are coffee plants apparently. Let's try to find a good spot.
Roast and nothing like brown?
I think that it's like a seed inside.
I think they really have to get You finally find one?
Those are insects.
Are they all doing this in unison right now, or is this one echoing?
No, I think there's a couple of them.
Yeah, there's got a few of them.
Definitely is. They're coming from all directions.
That's one, yeah.
It sounds like a bunch of like people are cutting trees.
Yeah. Sounds like a
Chainsaws out there. Notification like second respond and respond to like 12 hours.
Yeah.
Fuck. I'd rather be out here anyway.
Yeah, no, this is nice. I needed this city. It was too much city for me. I'm not used to it.
Yeah. You gotta look at that. Where's BB? Oh, hello!
So small.
Look. Move over.
Oh, Jesus.
Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey.
Oh, I miss my dogs.
Special treat. He knows, sits and takes it.
Good boy. Oh, he's so cute. He's so wholesome. Ah.
Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool?
It's like Avatar. Yeah. You a baby.
Goodbye. Don't follow us. Oh my god, he's so cute.
It's just sad. They're like, probably know if they're not gonna be sold as puppies, they're gonna die.
Fuck.
Like there's like a bunch of huskies. There was like 8 chocolate labs in a cage like this big. They're so cute, but they're just trapped, like a bunch of them. Like can't even describe.
It's so messed up.
Yeah, like full like huskies in Thailand. Like what the hell is a husky doing?
Yeah.
And like
it's probably way too hot for them with their fur too.
Yeah, it
like
is.
constantly shaved.
Yeah, so like some of them look so sad. Like it's stuck them in the cages, but like the cage was suspended a little bit higher, and they were graded, so like when they shat, it just like went under the next thing. Yeah, it was so sad to see that, man.
Fuck, man.
Yeah.
If I had the money, just buy all of them.
I asked out of curiosity like how much it would cost to buy one, and it's like it ended up being like about 250, 300 Canadian for a dog. So, but I mean, like it was like just I just was curious. So.
Yeah.
So sad, man. They had rabbits too. They had a bunch of like random, exotic like lemur type things too, which is shit to see too. But I'm like,
Yeah.
What the fuck? What's that?
But you don't know them, like you have a relationship with dogs.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Dogs are meant to be kept in cages.
I know, man. It was pretty shit. She was pretty shit. What the hell are these dogs doing here?
Yeah.
There's a lot of French bulldogs too. It was like there's like the marquee species are all there.
Jeez.
All purebreds. Like how the hell? Because like obviously when you walk around Thailand, you see that typical kind of brown ruffled dog.
Yeah. Patches.
Like a tiny German Shepherd with
With like one piece of like light brownie. Yeah, I know what you mean. It was weird to see that.
Y'all ever see an avocado tree? This is it. Not ripe yet. Freshly roasted, still warm.
Is the inside edible?
One more.
Yeah.
Fresh
For someone
coffee
we need
espresso.
more tree.
That's why we
Yep,
got.
sit down here.
We completely forgot
You
everything.
guys think you guys got caught out in quite a bit?
Not quite a bit.
No.
Not quite a bit. It was mostly in Phuket. I got soaking wet like everything.
Tastiest coffee ever,
This is
man.
like poured Phuket like an hour straight and stuff. So like it's
Delicious.
Uh,
It just started raining as soon as we got under
It was pouring from like
the roof too.
It was so. I was waiting.
Real coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, so good.
I will die now. You like coffee? Super?